Thank you very much.
One of my commitments for this life is promotion of religious harmony. On the basis, all religion in philosophical field differences, even also among the Buddha Dharma. So there are different views, differences, but all carry message of Karuna. During my lifetime, the Tibet situation truly passing through difficult. Tibetan culture, say, now not only preserve within Tibet, but also now more and more people showing interest, particularly in China. So now with this black hat, the Muslim Dalai Lama, quite useful for Tibetan culture. And also number of sort of friends from West really showing my thinking. I always say, we human being, I never say only Buddhist, all human being. We are human brothers, sisters, we are same. And world, one planet, we have to live together. So biologically, we all brothers, sisters of this world. So no reason quarrel in the name of religion. Religion comes later. At the time of birth, no religion. Now religion, essence same. And if you accept religion, it's good. If you not accept religion, still you are human brothers, sisters. We have to live together. Now population increasing. And then one serious matter is global warming. After a few decades, the global warming reached such state, very sort of hot. Then all water boiling. Then naturally, we all have to go. So, world itself eventually burn. So while that's now, a scientist now say, so before that come, we have to live happily. Our Muslim brother and sister, very, very helpful. Some old Tibetan monk, they found to go to Muslim was a business, the Muslim house, and listen what is going on in India, like that. So we, and then officially, every Tibetan government official function, Muslim delegation always come, always invite. So we have some special relations. Tibetan government also recognize Muslim community with respect. So now today, meeting with Muslim brothers, sisters, I feel very happy.